Hi guys. So Friday dito guys. Right now we're here in storage. Hi guys, happy Friday everyone. So we're here guys sa public security storage. Nagpalo ko kay Habi na siya sa unahan na ako kasi we need to bring some stuff sa new house, new home na we're moving, the new place, new house. So that's why we're here in the public security storage kasi we rent the 3 big size of storage, so it's so expensive and we keep paying it for a while na. So we decided to start to bring some stuff in the new home, new place that we're moving, because it's so expensive to keep paying in the 3 storage, big size of 3 storage, because it depends actually guys by sizes ng storage, kung depende sa magkasya sa gamit. So mostly big furniture, couch, yung appliance. So dinahandahan namin na na guys, yung dalhin na namin sa lilipatan namin na new home, simple home, kasi para hindi na kami mag waste of money to keep paying for storage. So last weekend nag-load na naman kami. So may kasama si Habi, binayaran niya para just to help him kasi I'm sick last week guys. I have very bad allergy, headache, runny nose, and burning my eyes. So until now I still not feeling well, but I had no choice. I need to do it to help in Habi. So I drive my car para maload ko din yung more stuff here in the back, so that more less the time and double time para madali namin matapos, because tomorrow is weekend, Saturday here. So we need to bring some stuff like couch or some like furniture and like entertainment like TV. So tomorrow there is one guy na mag-help sa kay Habi para madala. So yung ibang stuff na like clothing, shoes, and some stuff, we need to bring it ngayon para matapos at may enough space sila pag i-load na nila yung mga heavy stuff na like a couch or furniture para mas easy. So life here in America isn't easy kasi walang family. It's different here, big difference. So ito yung ganap namin today. It's Friday here guys in California. Time check is 7:07 p.m. now, but still sunny. So ganun yung namin task for today ni Habi. So keep on going until matapos lang. Basta okay lang yan, at least basta importante masipag tayo at kailangan we need to do it, tulungan para matapos, kasi dito ang life kailangan talaga pabilisan, tapos double time. So ito yung ganap namin guys. Actually I'm still taking my video her for my page kasi I'm still waiting in Habi kasi naglo-loaded pa siya ng ibang gamit sa sasakyan niya. Then next it's me para mailagay din yung ibang gamit dito. So para madaling matapos at na namin guys, madala yung ibang gamit. And happy Friday sa inyo guys, and thank you for watching guys. Thank you and hope you have a great evening. God bless you and stay safe. So, alis na kami guys. Ando na si Abby na una sa akin. Nakarga ko na yung ibang gamit. Mostly mga new na mga flower pot na binili namin before. Hindi namin nagamit. So, kasi magamit pa yan namin yan guys sa backyard kasi mga bago pa na breakable na flower pot at saka yung gamit pang living room. So ito yung ano namin ngayon ni Habi guys, ganap. Friday na dito guys para ano, supposed to be pupunta kami sa Starbucks ngayon pero sabi ko mag-stop muna kami dito sa storage para matapos at ma-load na namin yung ibang gamit dahan-dahan before kami pupunta sa Starbucks para magpalamig. So dumaan ako dito guys sa ano ibang lane ng storage para mag-exit nag-turn. So ando na si Abby na una na. So puno yung ano niya car. So andito kami guys sa storage. Papunta na sa new home, new house na dadalhan namin ng gamit. So kailangan pagpapasok ka dito guys, you know sa ano nila yung PIN number na papasok ka sa gate nila kasi strict yung ano nila, hindi ka basta makapasok. Kailangan alam mo yung PIN number na binigay nila sa iyo once na mag ano ka mag rental ng storage nila. Depende kasi din sa anong sizes, kung anong kalaki yung storage na rerentahan na lalagyan ng mga ano mo guys, gamit. So mag-exit na kami dito guys sa gate. Ito yung life natin, maghakot-hakot naman guys. So andito na ako guys sa highway, nag-drive papunta sa bahay, new home. Hindi naman too much ano guys, malayo. Medyo traffic kasi Friday evening na dito. Pero parang 4 PM pa.